Guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Windows security is not working or not opening on your Windows 11. So at that time guys, how to fix this irritating problem. Now in this video I am going to show you. So for this guys, follow this video till end very carefully. Okay, so when you are facing this type of problem, first you need to restart your Windows 11 one time. Okay, after restarting, try to open your Windows security once again. Hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, press Windows key button, search Windows security, right click on this and go to app settings. Okay, like this. From here you can easily able to update, reset and terminate your Windows security app. Scroll down and here you can get the option terminate. So first you don't need to terminate, so first you need to reset and repair this app. Okay, so first you need to repair this app, and after repairing, in case your problem was solved, you don't need to reset. In case your problem was not solving, at that time you need to reset this app. So just click on reset. Okay, after resetting, still you are facing same type of problem, last method you need to try, you need to terminate this app. Okay, after terminating, just close these settings and restart your PC one time. After restarting, press Windows key button and search Windows security. Okay, and open this app. Now it will 100% fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, so what you need to check, if you are using any third-party antivirus software on your PC, at that time guys, you can also get this type of problem issues. So just you need to uninstall it from your PC. Afterwards it will also helps you to fix your problem. So one more bonus method you can try guys, you need to update your Windows 11. To update the PC, open Windows 11 settings like this, go to Windows Update. From here you can easily able to update your PC. After updating, it will fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So comment down below which method was work with you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and don't go back without subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much.